over, it'll look like there's scratches in the paint. So I've got to feel these tiny little bits that like bubbles almost. Ready, you're on. The first thing you did was you stripped the whole interior because it was a full camper, wasn't it? It had all the kitchen, the bed.
It was a shoddy excuse of a camper. Like the cooling system,
We took the floor up.
Yeah.
We
got rid of any of the mankiness.
Yeah.
Checked for rust.
Yeah.
We then cut out underfloor boards, fitted pallet wood.
And insulation.
Yeah, and insulation. Sanded it, painted it. It looks lovely. And then after that, we moved on to the bodywork. So we cut out both rear arches, welded 2 new arches in, welded parts of the inner arch and other bits of rust that were there. And then after that, we did the front driver's side footwell.
You did your hole in the door runner.
Yeah, big thing we missed out is Matt got the engine running.
Yeah.
The previous owner fitted a kill switch. Somewhere along the line, the wire got broken from the kill switch, meaning the engine wouldn't start. So we can take it to the MOT station and see what it's housing. Look at the dents.
Yeah. It's more like a rain gutter.
Ah, did you see here?